What? Probably round the back, smoking. No gloves, got my hands frozen. Yeah, let me be frank, awesome. When you act like you don't have emotion. Before you came round, a tornado messed up my room. And I swear it's not usually like this. How come you can see through my disguises? Gotta prove that I'm still full of surprises. Look on your face, priceless. When I show you that I'm different to them, look. Don't do me dirty, I got them though. Couple years past that, where's all my friends gone? Where's all the boys do? Hey, couple things I tend to voice too often. Sack, could've done more, could've lost my mind. That's something I thought of lots of times.
What? Okay.
Yeah, and that's something I think of always still. Said I got you and I always will. I don't know why I give you that comfort. You can have all my jumpers. Yeah, and I stand here like I'm not freezing. All that time I imagine the feeling. Still wanna know your plans for the I'm round the back, smoking. No gloves, got my hands frozen. Yeah, let me be frank, awesome. When you act like you don't have emotions. Before you came round, a tornado messed up my room. And I swear it's not usually like this. How come you can see through my disguises? Got proof that I'm still full of surprises. That I'm still someone you can look up to. Don't see nobody else but us two. Don't say all of the things that I want to. I wanna get you one to one. Hair slick back like Zuko, let you know you're the one I want. Honey, why do you wanna spoil my fun? Why spoil it? Why? I was in Chengdu looking at koi fish. Couldn't make sense of all of my choices. Heart full of doubt and a head full of voices. Eyes full of flaws, sulking. Only call me when you want something. Wondering where I fit in your heart. You wanna find me like a switch in the dark. Then I'll be round the back, smoking. No gloves, got my hands frozen. Yeah, let me be frank, awesome. When you act like you don't have emotions. Before you came round, a tornado messed up my room. I swear it's not usually like this. How come you can see through my disguises? Gotta prove that I'm still full of surprises.
Let's make some noise for Luca B. Yeah, okay. Enjoying yourselves tonight.